A major challenge in administration of today's complex converged infrastructure environments is the difficulty in obtaining a comprehensive picture across the entire data center. In response, MagicFlex has developed a unique software solution that enables true visibility and allows administrators to gain end-to-end actionable insights across their server, SAN, network, and virtualization elements. Hello, and welcome to MagicFlex, which provides smart analysis of HP's Virtual Connect and OneView environments. MagicFlex supports IT organizations' move from reactive troubleshooting to preventive management. Today, we're going to introduce MagicFlex's smart analysis and take a tour of the interface, including some live demo portions. The MagicFlex Smart Analysis Edition is a suite comprising 3 modules. The Analysis module, which provides in-depth analysis of the configuration and status of the Virtual Connect domains, OneView logical interconnects, and external interfaces, including the VMware virtual machines and Brocade SAN switches. The Performance module identifies busiest ports and performance bottlenecks, and provides real-time and historical port performance data. The Toolbox assists with configuration and backup tasks of the Virtual Connect domains and can simplify and shorten troubleshooting incidents. You can look at the Toolbox video to see all the Toolbox features in detail. We'll take a quick glance at the topology before we head to the demo. As you can see, MagicFlex does not sit inside the blade systems, and this is by design. MagicFlex polls the environment regularly, but does not perform any actions on the environment and operates in read-only mode. MagicFlex is installed on a virtual appliance, both VMware and on Hyper-V, and communicates via management port 22. First, we'll take a look at the MagicFlex dashboard, which is what you see when you log into the MagicFlex UI, and it shows an overall status of all the domains. Our demo environment only has 4 domains, but production environments can hold dozens and more, so having this view of all the domains is really handy. The top row shows how many domains are in each status, such as critical or OK. The middle row shows an icon for each domain, so that we can go directly to domain to see what the issues are. Just below this row are the icons that show the Brocade health status of the Brocade SAN switches. We see that 2 of our domains are in trouble, so now we'll head over to check out what the issues are. The Analysis module delivers an overview of the domain configuration, performance, and port alerts. This provides network and system administrators with the ability to easily monitor domain status, troubleshoot issues, and enhance network performance. On the left, we have the domain tree, which provides a list of all the domains and Brocade SAN switches. And when OneView is installed, we'll also see the logical interconnects in this list. It's really helpful to be able to monitor both environments simultaneously. You can see the Export to Excel button, which generates details of the alerts in both the Analysis status alerts and in the port alerts. We'll now look at performance, and here MagicFlex provides data that is not otherwise available. MagicFlex displays performance indicators in 3 areas. The first is in the Analysis, where we see the busiest uplink and server ports in all the domains. This information can be used to detect bottlenecks and also in defining port load balancing. When a single domain is selected, the top ports display the busiest ports per domain. We'll move from the Summary to the Performance tab, where we can look at the history or real-time view. We commonly use this feature to diagnose troubleshooting issues and to design network load and performance. Real-time information provides a view of the current status. You can check the uplink and the stacking link ports. Performance history assists with monitoring and troubleshooting of the domains for an in-depth view of the internal and external traffic patterns. Here you can see when an issue began and how long it's been occurring, which is more than helpful when you are troubleshooting. The history is only limited by system capacity, so you can see the history for months back to see if any issue is ongoing and when it started. We'll now go back to the Summary to look at the alerts. We'll start with the port alerts that indicate problems such as CRC errors, link resets, flow control, and pause frames. Port details can focus on specific dates and times, even months back, to determine when the problem began and if it is ongoing. Here we see the pause frame errors in the port alerts. MagicFlex quickly identifies a problem with the flow control definitions. Implementing a solution requires a customer advisory workaround, which involves disabling the flow control functionality in Virtual Connect. Once the flow control is disabled, traffic returns to normal and these disconnections are no longer observed. This is an example of how MagicFlex is able to significantly shorten troubleshooting time by identifying the cause of disconnections. We'll move now to the Analysis and Status Alerts area to display analysis of the domains, configuration, and events, and also all alerts except for the port alerts, which are displayed separately. This data is based on analysis of the Virtual Connect, best practices, and known issues from HP and MagicFlex's knowledge bases, and also provides recommendations. Alerts in this area indicate problems with configuration, control, and redundancy, such as duplicate MAC, high utilization for long periods, alerts and best practices, and other known issues. You can filter the alerts in this area according to severity, so you can look only at major and critical alerts, or also include minor and warning level issues. Let's look at a few examples. Here we have a stacking link failure. With stacking link failures, no traffic flows between the interconnects, and Virtual Connect provides a critical alert. The added value here is that MagicFlex provides the detailed workaround that will correct the issue, including the information that the workaround requires downtime so that you can plan effectively. Here we have a SmartLink error. When a network is defined as active-active to configure the bandwidth, because Virtual Connect doesn't work with a spanning tree protocol, we need to configure SmartLink. When SmartLink is not configured correctly, an uplink failure occurs and total shutdown and traffic can occur. With MagicFlex, the alert, as you can see, quickly identifies the improper setting and provides the required corrective action. As we mentioned, MagicFlex is read-only and doesn't send alerts or any other information unless you input user information. You can define specific users to receive email alerts and SNMP notification according to selected severity. For example, some users may want to receive critical alerts only, while others would like alerts for all major events. So why should you add MagicFlex to your Virtual Connect environment? MagicFlex's Smart Analysis is an essential product for IT administrators operating in converged infrastructure environments. The software analyses and alerts simplify identification of performance issues that can significantly shorten downtime and can enhance general traffic flow, all of which leads to decreased TCO and improved ROI. MagicFlex supports IT organizations move from reactive troubleshooting to preventive management. Thank you for joining us. Please check out the MagicFlex website and LinkedIn group for additional information and product updates.